Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 20mm quick-release band compatible with Garmin. This is a soft braided nylon strap designed for both men and women who want a comfortable, stylish, and durable replacement for their smartwatch. The first thing you'll notice about this band is the material. It's made from high-quality nylon with a dual-layer weave, which gives it a soft, flexible feel while remaining durable enough to handle daily wear. The strap is also water-resistant, thanks to an advanced nano-coating, which means it can withstand sweat, rain, or accidental spills without compromising comfort. It's breathable as well, so even during long workouts or hot days, your wrist stays dry. Installation is straightforward with the quick-release pins. These pins allow you to swap out the band in seconds without the need for tools. The tang buckle ensures a secure fit and easy adjustment, making it simple to tighten or loosen the band as needed. This design ensures your smartwatch stays in place during intense activities or daily wear. Compatibility is another strong point. The 20mm width makes it suitable for a wide range of Garmin watches, including the Forerunner series, Venue series, Approach models, Vivo Move, and of course, the Vivo Active series. This versatility means you can buy a single band and use it across multiple devices, making it a practical choice for anyone with more than one Garmin smartwatch. The color options are vibrant and varied, giving you the chance to personalize your watch to match your style. Whether you prefer neutral tones or a pop of color, there's something for everyone. The nylon material also has a slight stretch, which adds to the comfort and adaptability on different wrist sizes. Durability and maintenance are simple. The waterproof design allows you to rinse off dirt or stains under running water without worrying about damage, making it perfect for active lifestyles or outdoor adventures. Even with frequent use, the material maintains its shape and comfort, ensuring long-lasting wear. In terms of performance, this band combines style, comfort, and practicality. The soft braided texture feels premium, while the quick-release mechanism and adjustable buckle give you full control over fit and stability. Whether you're going for a run, hitting the gym, or just wearing it casually, this strap adapts effortlessly. In conclusion, the 20mm quick-release band for Garmin smartwatches is a reliable, versatile, and stylish choice for anyone looking to upgrade their watch strap. With easy installation, water resistance, and a comfortable fit, it's a band that delivers on both function and form. If you're looking to refresh your smartwatch with a durable, comfortable, and attractive strap, this one is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an in-depth review. See you in the next video.